So, you accidentally spilled a plate of saucy spaghetti all over your beige dining room carpet. What to do? Act quickly, for one, and don't let the mess soak in. Then, you'll want to pull out a trusty carpet cleaner. It's the best way to remove embedded dirt, stains, and smells from any wall-to-wall carpeting and large area rugs. There are many products available to choose carpet cleaners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best carpet cleaners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let us jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall Bissell Jet Scrub 25,299 Upright Pet Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Jet Scrub 25,299 Upright Pet Carpet Cleaner remains our top pick for a carpet cleaner hands down after multiple rounds of testing in the lab. It has multiple cleaning modes, a pre-treatment feature, and a LED light on the floor head. It's portable and easy enough that you'll actually use it in your home to suction up stains, dirt, and more. It's easy to get started with this machine, with parts intuitively snapping together. The instructions weren't the most thorough, but we did find it to be pretty simple. It was a cinch to fill the water tank and add solution, with clear lines indicating how much of each to add. In addition to the simple and straightforward setup, the cleaning modes were labeled on the machine: an express clean setting for surface cleaning, and a deep clean setting for stains, as well as a clean shot feature to pre-treat tough stains. This cleaner also comes with a storage mat and collapsible handle, for stowing it away in a small closet when not in use. In our test, the unit sucked up the fresh coffee stain in one back and forth swipe, and a set-in orange juice stain in 2 back and forth swipes. We did note that the carpet was still damp 2 hours after we ran the deep clean function, so you'll want to keep pets and children off of any spots you clean for at least a few hours. The only thing it didn't pick up was the synthetic hair that was mixed in with the wet potting soil, but you could easily vacuum that up before or after your clean. What we like self-propelling is a stain pre-treatment feature light on floor head collapsible handle at we don't like no hose or attachments need to vacuum some stains first. Number 2. Best Budget Hoover Power Dash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner. The Hoover Power Dash Pet Compact Carpet Cleaner is designed to both loosen and suck up pet hair from your carpets, as well as attack tough stains. For the lower price, we believe it's a great value. Pet parents will appreciate the PowerSpin Pet Antimicrobial Brush Roll that drives bristles into the fibers of carpets and rugs to loosen and collect hair, and how the clean water tank only holds a half gallon, so the liquid doesn't weigh the machine down as it would with a larger tank. In product testing at the lab, this carpet cleaner sucked up the fresh coffee stain in only one forward pass, but it required more effort for set-in stains. It dragged the potting soil a bit, so we recommend thoroughly vacuuming up any noticeable 3D stains beforehand. We love that this machine was lightweight and easy to maneuver, but we wish it came with attachments to help tackle tougher stains. It's also worth noting that cleaning this brush roll can be a challenge, though Hoover includes a cleaning tool to assist with the dirty job. For the affordable price, this is ultimately an excellent pick for pet owners or those who need to deep clean small spaces. When cleaning large rooms or area rugs, the half-gallon water tank requires more frequent pauses to stop, empty, and refill. However, in exchange for a smaller capacity, the machine is more compact and easier to store than many other carpet cleaners. What we like lightweight effectively removes pet hair compact build what we don't like brush compartment is difficult to clean noisy operation. Number 3. Best Splurge Bissell Big Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner is a spin-off of the manufacturer's commercial Big Green cleaning machine that's specifically designed to handle pet stains, including odors from staining. This machine was pretty much ready to go, out of the box, and only required a bit of attaching. Plus, it wasn't too difficult to push around and felt easy enough to use. After just 3 passes of wet and then dry cleaning in our test, the fresh coffee stain was completely removed, and the red wine, chocolate, and dirt stains were nearly gone. With 3 more passes of wet and dry cleaning, the wine stain was also gone. To remove the last 2 stains, we used the wet-dry attachment. While we did vacuum any excess dirt and hair first with a handheld vacuum, this performance was still impressive. The machine wasn't super loud by any means, and we could hear when someone was trying to speak while using it. Although we didn't find this machine particularly difficult to maneuver, it weighed over 60 pounds when the tank was full, so it may be too heavy for some users. This machine also does not have any onboard storage for the attachments, which we found slightly frustrating. However, the water tank and hose are fairly easy to clean and dump, which earned this machine a perfect 5-star rating for ease of use. While it's certainly not built for everyday messes, if you find yourself deep cleaning your carpets more than twice a year, we recommend investing in this Bissell model. What we like water tank is easy to dump and rinse remove staining within 6 passes, not much assembly required, easy to maneuver wet. We don't like storage for attachments might be heavy for some users. Number 4. Best for pet owners. Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. Pet owners know that fur babies come with their own set of messes, which is why we recommend the Rug Dr. Pet Portable Spot Cleaner for any pet waste-related deep cleaning needs. If you purchase this cleaner through Rug Doctor's website, an 8-ounce bottle of their Pure Power Pet Stain and Odor Cleaning Solution is included, but you can also purchase it separately. This small but mighty machine was ready to go out of the box, and was also pretty intuitive to use. Our favorite feature on this cleaner is the retractable handle, which makes rolling this machine very easy between spots and for storage. The coffee stain was no match against this machine's suction power, and was gone after just one pass. The red wine, chocolate, and dirt stains were almost completely removed after one pass. After pretreating the other 3 stains again and going over them 2 more times, all were faded to faint shadows. We were impressed by how quickly this cleaner removed the stains, and pleased that we did not have to refill the tank, which was still half full after 3 passes on each stain, which makes filling it from the bottom incredibly tricky if you don't have an extra set of hands. What we like rolling design effective, it quickly spots treating stains. No setup required. What we don't like, clean water tank is challenging to fill, expensive. Number 5. Best for tough stains. Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. Anyone who is looking for a deep cleaning machine with easy to use features and impressive cleaning power will be satisfied with the Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro. This upright carpet cleaner features 2 cleaning modes. The Max Clean setting is ideal for cleaning heavily soiled carpeting, while the Express Clean uses less formula and water for faster drying times. This model undoubtedly cleaned the best in our product testing once it was assembled properly. Due to the so-so assembly process and the fact that it's so large, it resembles a commercial carpet cleaner. This cleaner lost its previous spot as our top pick. However, if you frequently encounter tough stains, are looking to clean a large area, and have the space to store this machine in a utility room or garage, this is an excellent choice. You'll need a screwdriver to assemble this machine, and you'll need to follow the directions closely. Some parts come assembled, but double check that they are locked in tightly. During testing, our dirty water tank completely leaked out during the first test, because we didn't double check that it was locked in extra tight. Once it was in place, the machine powered through all of the stains with ease, though, and we loved utilizing the Clean Shot feature to pre-treat tough stains. And anything left over was able to be scrubbed out with the hose and attachments. It required a bit of manual labor to get the stains completely out, but it was worth it. What we like, multiple cleaning modes, immediate, visible results, useful tools and attachments. What we don't like, large size and assembly required. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.